Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This will be a very quick lesson where I will teach you how to prevent this game object from falling down out of the screen when we press play. So just like in real life, we want to put something that's fixed underneath it so it prevents it from falling out of the screen. In the original game, there's some kind of hand holding the game object in place here. So we want to go ahead and create a new 2D object and again choose sprite and we'll name it floor. We also want to attach a tag to it. Since it's none of the pre-made tags, we need to add another tag. Click on the little plus and we can simply name it floor again. Make sure to go back to the game object and select the tag because it won't be automatically added once you add it to the list. Reset the position and drag it down a little bit. And we can choose this one. Since it's kinda too big, we want to scale it down in half. Center it. And this actually seems pretty good. But if we click play, you might notice that something is wrong, it's falling through. That's because we need to add a collider to this game object and also a rigid body. So go ahead and go to Physics 2D, add a rigid body to it, and freeze both position and rotation. We also want to add another component in the Physics 2D, and it can be a box collider, since the ball will only be touching the top of this, so it doesn't really matter which collider we get. It should actually work pretty fine now. I just need to move it a bit to the right. Okay, perfect.